Now, I'm sure you've heard of YouTube, and you probably have because you're watching this video on it, but did you know that you can listen to music on YouTube and get paid every day, hour, or even minute? This opportunity is completely free. You do not need a credit card or an investment to make money with this approach, and you may earn money from anywhere in the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, and other countries around the world. Make sure you stay until the end because I'll show you a few amazing strategies for doubling your profits and generating 5 times more money with no extra work, so don't miss out. Let's get started with the first website, Current. Here you'll be rewarded for playing music. Pay attention because I'll be showing you a couple of applications that you can download for free on your phone, and then I'll be showing you a real-life example of how to do this, including how to play music, which music you should play, and bonus tips that can help you make more money. So pay attention and don't miss any parts of this video because I'll be showing you on YouTube how to play all of this music and earn a lot of money online. When you go to their main page, you'll find a section that says, I want to earn a reward while I'm running. You can do it when you're running, working, or sleeping, and you can still earn money by letting the music play in the background. This application is now available on the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. If you're using an Android phone, this is the logo of the program Earn Cash and Money Reward Current Music screen. Make sure you download the correct app. So this application has 4.4 stars out of L00000 reviews, which is excellent, really solid application that is 100% authentic. Now, this is on the Google Play Store, and then you can get the same application on your iPhone directly on the App Store. Before I show you a real-life example within my account of how to play music and also how to choose the greatest music that will pay you the most money, I want to show you that they have over 100,000 radio stations, and one of them is YouTube. You can now play music online or even while you're offline, and you don't have to spend anything to get started with this application. It's completely free, and you can earn points by playing your favorite music, which you can then convert into real money. Once you've downloaded the app from Google Play or the App Store, you'll head to the radio station, which is YouTube Music. Now, when you log into your account, you'll see something like this. Pay close attention since this is one of the ways to make money while playing music. I'll teach you 2 other ways to make money while playing music. This is a YouTube Music homepage, and if you scroll down below you'll see that there's a lot of music, playlists, artists, and also a lot of recommended music that you can choose from. When you combine these 2 applications, you can generate profit on complete autopilot, as I'll show you in a moment. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now I'd like to show you an example of one of the playlists that I pay much attention to, which means that I can play this page and there's a lot of music queued up, which means that I can add music to this playlist. Once this music, for example, this song, that is completed playing for 3 minutes and 31 seconds, you may automatically move on to the next music, and so on, and they'll automatically play all the music right now and then, and I'll be paid for every song. When I hover my mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner, I can turn on the repeat button, which means that once this playlist finishes playing from song number 1 to the last song, it will automatically jump back to the first song and replay the entire playlist so that I can make money over and over again. The bonus tip I'd want to give you is to make sure you queue up a lot of music. As you can see, I have approximately 20 songs queued up so that I can make money faster. The second tip I'm going to give you is that when you go to the homepage, you'll see this hot list where you can see the higher quality and more recommended videos as well as music videos that you can watch. Again, I highly recommend you choose one of these videos because they'll pay you more money than the current ones. Pay close attention because YouTube will not pay you money, but this website Current will. You may sync your YouTube music with this application so that when you play music on YouTube, you will get compensated. This is the first method for you to play music and earn money. The second method I'd want to show you right now is one you're probably already acquainted with if you watch YouTube videos every day. You are presently watching YouTube, but did you know that you can play videos, such as this playlist right here? You can also listen to music playlists, such as this one, for an hour and then make money by simply listening to all of these songs right here. This is a true example that I'm giving you right now because I'm opening 3 tabs. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer, but right now I'm doing it from my PC. This is the first tab on my Google Chrome browser. I'll open another new tab to listen to more music, and I'll open a third browser to listen to more music. So right now, as you can see, I'm listening to 3 different music playlists, number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is another extra tip: open many tabs and try to listen to music to earn money again and again. Here's another tip that can help you make even more money. Number 1, when you go on YouTube, you should look for music that is at least 1 hour long because the longer the song is, the more money you'll make. The next tip is that when you go to the settings button and click on here, you want to double the speed since, by default, the speed will be normal. When you want to double the speed, just double right click on here, you can see the playback speed is 2, which means you can play the music twice as quickly, which means the more music you listen to, the more money you make. Now I'm going to give you another tip where you can turn off the quality to 144p, which means that if you have a slow internet connection or if you have a lot of people sharing internet or Wi-Fi with you, you can still play the music efficiently because you want to play them in multiple formats. You need to reduce the quality to 144p so that it doesn't consume your internet. You can do other things like watch other videos or do your own thing and still play without pausing. Make sure you link your YouTube radio station to the current music application. When you connect these two, you may play them using the second method, which I'm showing you right now on the YouTube platform, or the first method, which I'm showing you right now on the YouTube music platform. You can use one of these ways, but I'd like to show you the final bonus tip right now. I'd like to show you this new Google Chrome extension, as you can see here, YouTube Playback Speed Control, which you can download and use on your computer or phone. It's completely free. They have over 80,000 users, and if you download the Google Chrome browser, you can play it on your phone at 3 times the normal speed, while the maximum speed on YouTube is just 2 times. You can play at normal, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, or 2 times maximum, but with this Google Chrome extension, you can play it at 3 times the pace. You can modify the speed of YouTube playback using the keyboard in the upper right-hand corner. You can increase the playback speed by using the plus button or reduce it by pressing the minus button. When you download this extension, you may make a lot of money since you can play music on both the YouTube and YouTube Music platforms much faster. This is the additional tip I'd want to offer you at the end of the video, so all you have to do now is go to the Google Play Store and download this app, or if you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store and get the current Rewards Offline Music app. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.